SRI shows off new ways to talk to your computer. No matter what software you use or what it's called, communicating with your computer will be getting easier and more natural. Researchers at SRI's Computer Human Interaction Center, or CHIC, are working on ways of adapting existing technology to do just that. For example, an automobile windshield that not only listens and understands you, but supplies directions, or a refrigerator to tell you when you're out of a product and help you order more of it.
It was the last model of lemonade. Do you want to add something to the grocery list?
SRI Business Development Manager Eric Ricard sees a world where computers are everywhere doing all kinds of things. But will all this in computing be too intrusive?
PCs were intrusive, cell phones were intrusive, pagers, faxes, microwaves, the list goes on. But what we see is that humans do adapt to technology. The technology, if it's successful, those things I just mentioned were all things that were very simple to operate, didn't require lengthy instructions, didn't require training classes and knowing how to use it. And the successful technology that comes out of CHIC will be able to do the same thing. It'll be so simple to use that you won't have to touch it.
SRI International is an independent, nonprofit organization that researches technologies for corporations and governments.